SECO Seals, 100% leak-free flared tube connection since 1969. SECO seals are proven, affordable, quick and easy. Just place the seal on your connection. SECO seals are designed to exact specifications for the perfect uniform fit. Now simply make the connection. Refer to the specifications chart for the right amount of torque for your project. Torque it down. Then wait 15 to 20 seconds and retorque. Now you've got a leak-free seal that will last until the next time you open the connection. It's a 100% sealing solution that never fails and never wears out. SECO seals work in sub-zero to over 1,000 degree temperatures, applications where tape and O-rings just can't go. In fact, since 1969, SECO seals have been used in millions of aerospace applications, such as airplanes, engines, rockets, and satellites. With SECO seals, you get that same space-age technology and reliability for your application at an affordable price. Use our easy Contact Us form or simply call to get your 100% sealing solution that never fails and never wears out from SECO Seals.